Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys are having a very nice day. In this video I'm gonna walk through screen mirror Android phone to TV for free. Connect your phone to TV. So to screen mirror your phone to TV, you can just use cast on your device. So for that, go to settings and search for cast. Click on this, turn on. Your mobile and your TV need to be connected to the both Wi-Fi, and here you can see the TV here. Just click on it, and after clicking it, it will be connected to your device. So guys, that's how you can screen mirror Android phone to TV. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Team channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.